What was the most ridiculous part of the Freedom of Spirit workshop, in your opinion? The bit that you found most ridiculous?
It's a bit that I found most ridiculous. Well, basically, the whole thing is ridiculous, isn't it? Yes. That five women should come together and. No, I'll start again. What is the most ridiculous? I don't think I can answer that question, to be fair, because I think life is ridiculous at one level. It's all ridiculous. I don't know. Are you fishing for some little incident that?
No, not at all. It's just, sometimes people look at these things and they think, oh, it's going to be really sensible all the way through. And I think you did answer the question, actually. In a way, the whole thing is ridiculous because life is ridiculous, and that's just the way it is.
Oh, we had our laughs along the way, and yes, there was a bit of fun and banter, and but I don't think that's ridiculous. I think that's vital to life, really.
Brilliant. Thank you.